Hello guys, so how to find popular highlights in Kindle. So here I am in Kindle app on iPhone. So if I click on some book, for example here, if I click on this menu in top left part, I will see popular highlights here. So these are the most popular highlights of this book. You can see like how many highlighters on which page. Then you can like easily go to that page. Again, you can just copy that and then you can just insert it to like your notes app or to your Evernote. So it's super great feature because you can basically see what are the most like highlighted ideas from this book, and then you can just collect them and like create your own ideas based on this popular highlight.